We would like to introduce ourselves as a leading manufacturers and exporters of machine tools accessories, milling accessories, CNC and VMC tools holders, and industrial tools. Our company was established in 1993 as exporting all across the globe under the brand name RR brand. We offers a wide range of products which include lathe centers, sleeves and sockets, drill chuck and arbors, collets, collet holders, and many more. Our raw material storage facility are well organized using FIFO for accurate placement. And we use high-precision band saw machines for the steel cutting. We continuously upgraded our tool room to include the latest softwares for precision CNC machining. Our machine shop is fully equipped with the battery of CNC machines of very high quality. We are machining CNC and VMC tool holders required for holding the cutting tools to machine the final product, which are further used in defense section, automobile section and many more. In many cases we are the single source supplier to our customers. Our manufacturing expertise and holistic quality management system ensures a level of product quality that is significantly above the sector average. It serves to identify and eliminate the weaknesses early on and prevent errors to start with. The stamping machines are put to use for hallmarking the final product with its name and specifications. High-grade packaging is provided with the goods to ensure the safety of the deliverable. The products are stored in the stockroom, provisioning high-volume storage which helps to provide quick dispatch facility. Our company products are regularly showcased in major international trade fair exhibitions. We launched our e-commerce store rrtoolstore.com in 2020 and saw a great response. Our mission is to minimize variation and waste in supply chain through continuous advancement for cost-effective operations and continue to be an environment-friendly entity. Our vision is to become a leading global manufacturer of machine tool accessories through continuous innovation, exceptional products, focused services and enhanced customer satisfaction.